So firstly, open the Unity Hub, go under installs and click on add and select any of the version in with you want to work with and go next and add modules to Unity 2019.3.9. so you have to add Android build support and Android SDK and NDK tools and open JDK, then go next and check this option and then click on done. So it will start downloading Unity, so wait till it downloads and installs.
2000 years later.
So after downloading it will start installing Unity, so wait till it installs. So after downloading and installing, you can see to Unity 2019.3.9 F1 it is included in installs. So let's open the new project. So let's open the new project, select 2019.3.9 and select a 3D project and let's call it test, then hit on create.
Meanwhile,
so here you can see a new Unity project is opened and here we are using 2019.3.9. so firstly go under file, build setting and click on Android and click on switch platform. So here you can see we have switched the platform to Android and then go to edit, preferences and under the external tools you have to check these three options. It will automatically locate your OpenJDK, SDK and NDK. Now to build it, go build setting and click on build. It will make your APK file and make sure to drag your scenes here, scenes in build. So it's enough for this video. Hope you like the video and learn how to work with Android. If you want, I gonna make a tutorial for the Android touch supports. So if you like, so you can comment down below and leave a like and subscribe the channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.